This video is for walking on the feet. If you've done some range of motion and compression in other ways, then you can stand up and use your feet to walk on your partner's feet. So have them lie face down. And it's always good to start with your hands. Your hands are much more sensitive and you can feel what's going on. So kneel between your partner's feet. Make sure that the heels aren't in. The heels are in line with the outer edges of the feet. Use your palms to compress. You can grab the heel and pull back to lengthen the calves and Achilles tendons. Once you get a feel with your hands, then you can stand up and use your feet. And you can try one foot at a time just to, before you cultivate your balance, make sure the heel stays down and then you displace weight with the ball of the foot. Make sure you stay on the arch. It doesn't really feel good to push onto the heel, but you can see I'm kind of scooting my heel forward and backward. If you master doing one at a time, then you can do both at the same time, kind of rocking left and right. Adjust the heel first before you displace weight through the ball of the foot. And take your time. You can spend a lot of time doing this. And if you want even more pressure, then you can turn around. The ball of the foot stays down and the heel compresses on the arch and bottom of your partner's foot. The more you stack your head over your point of contact, the more downward pressure sinks. You can get more specific with the heel here. Just plenty of points you can access, up and down. And that's really it. It doesn't take a lot to break down. Make sure that you have your balance. Make sure you're not falling on your partner. And just take your time and play with different amounts of pressure. Communicate with your partner to ask them if it's okay, if they want more, less, or the same. So that's the foot walking technique.